Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to hide followers on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after this, you can make sure you have a private TikTok account. If you have a private TikTok account, the followers will be hidden automatically. And now you can just simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on settings and privacy at very last. Tap on privacy, and here you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the following list. You cannot see followers list, so if you hide your followers on TikTok, make sure the account is private on TikTok, and it is a way you can hide followers on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.